Delhi police on Wednesday intercepted a consignment of alcohol brought from Meghalaya during a routine check-up at Lahorijan petrol post. According to sources, it was informed that on 21st of December night, acting upon the intel output from its sources, a team of police department led by Jiten Gogoi in charge of Lahorijan petrol post engaged in a search operation. During the operation, a truck bearing registration number AS01PC4897 was intercepted in suspicions of carrying illicit beverages with it. The truck was searched rigorously and recovered huge quantity of Meghalaya manufactured alcohols in it. On 22nd of December, Pranjal Sharma, Assistant of Inspector of Excise Bokajan, while speaking to us, informed that the beverages were manufactured at Meghalaya and was brought from 9th Mile, Khanapara, and the consignment was destined to Manipur. As many as 550 packages of alcohol were recovered, and if sold to an open market, the contraband could be worth of rupees 15 lakhs. The driver and his co-passenger were arrested in the connection to this case.
Information asile police apnar talasi heri Lahorijan AK market tat mane apnar check kora hoisile check korute apnar ekhon gari honde hol ekhon gari rokhai pela check korute tar uporot beleg bostu asile bibhinno rokomor goods asile tar tolot Meghalaya pura পোৱা গৈছে কিমান মান কাৰ্টুন পোৱা গৈছে মেঘালয় আপোনাৰ 550 কেছ মান পোৱা গৈছে
Bijoy Rongpi's report from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live.